If you want Google to be your default search engine in Firefox, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Changing your default search engine can make browsing faster and more convenient, especially if you prefer Google's search results, voice search, and familiar layout every time you type in the address bar. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. That's the icon with the three horizontal lines. When the menu opens, click Settings. This will take you to the main Firefox settings page where you can customize your browser preferences. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Search. This section controls how Firefox handles search-related options, including your default search provider. Now look at the top of the page for the default search engine section. You should see a drop-down menu there. Click the drop-down and select Google from the list. As soon as you choose Google, Firefox will use it as your default search engine whenever you search from the address bar or the search box. That's all there is to it. You've now set Google as the default search engine on Firefox. This is a quick change, but it can make a big difference if you use Google every day and want a more consistent browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.